hard to learn. What business is that?
It's kind of
Oh, that's the Savoy.
yeah, that's a boat and this one is the
Which is the one with the voucher?
boat.
So it's impossible, even if you ask your manager, that we can get that voucher for this trip. Can you try?
I'm trying to like 1 month before we can get the voucher.
But they don't have like the manager here. You cannot ask. Maybe they can email it or something.
Oh.
Try. You could try to ask. Say
Yeah,
that we want to stay here because we're here anyway.
Yes. I asked my manager, sir, if they have the voucher.
Thank you so much.
And at this side, sir, we're launching the casino here soon.
Ah, okay. This is the
development.
casino.
At the back, sir, that's Wolfgang there.
Ah, yeah, Wolfgang.
Gang?
Dito. You want
this is the
to
beach.
see the private beach?
Yes, you can
Let's
show us
go
quickly.
to the one who we can present.
Why is it
Zoom.
private? Because
Okay,
the
we'll go.
beach is everywhere.